Good day to everybody on YouTube. Welcome to my shed. I'm Ian. Some people call me Big E. We got it the right way this time. But yeah, you're quite right. You've read that title. Spot on. I've got an ASO for a friend. You might know, you might say, well, who's the friend? Well, I'm going to tell you. That is Paul. Paul, the backyard welder. What can I say? All started, I was on Nudis's show, or Hazy Daisy's show, or Sunshine's show. I was on a live show anyway. Now, if you've been on these live shows, and especially if I'm in the garage, bit of a challenge that I've got everything that anyone can mention in here. But by the by, Paul the backyard welder came on, or we got talking about him, and he built a forge out of a gas bottle. I'll see if I can put a link in the comments. So you need a forge, you've got a forge. You're going to take things out of that forge that's hot and hard, and you need to bash it against something. I thought, sort that out. But come back with a piece of RSJ or a piece of girder. So something similar to that, but on both sides. So I decided, can't just give that to a friend, can you? You need to make something better of it. This is how I ended up with an ASO for a friend, a anvil shaped object. ASO. Well, coming in, it's a lovely 45 kilos, 100 pounds in weight. Well, the reason it's called an anvil shaped object rather than calling it an anvil is because it ain't an anvil. Because if I do that, there ain't no bounce to it. And I know there's someone in Germany who wants me to do a hammer test. So no bounce at all. No bounce at all on it. I've cleaned this side up. This side I've left unfinished. I don't know if Paul will want to grind all that off or not. That's up to him. I'll take you on that journey. Yeah, it's just a piece of RSJ. We've got a tape measure. Let's measure in 6 inch by almost 10 inch, giving us almost 8 inches high. But the thing about using RSJs, or even using bits of railway track, well, I more suspect that that's a trolley track than a railway track, is, I ain't going to touch that, that's hot, is there's no mass. Yeah, you got a bit of mass at the top, but there's no mass here. So it's going to act like it's got like a spring. So the only way to make something out of it is to add some mass to it, some weight to the side. And that's what I'm doing. Got some plate. Right, and I'm just going to stack them up till they get to about yay big, either side. Let's make it really solid. We'll see. Well, looky look. I carried on a little bit and I'm thickening that up quite a bit, roughly 16mm either side, and I'll continue. This is certainly thickening up a bit. Shocking, Welding, shocking, but pulling it all together with some banging. Well, we've actually run out of 8mm plate. As it happens, we've got a load of offcuts in this kit that are just the right length, and these are, oh God knows, 15mm thick. 15mm thick, so they should increase the weight. Does mean I've got to get some practice in at welding in a straight line. We'll see. Right, well, I think we've managed to get this to a quite respectable, about 40 kilos. We've levelled the top off somewhat. We have a nice piece of harder steel for the top, which I'm going to put on tonight. And he wanted an horn. Well, I found this old boss. So this boss, I'll go on there. I'll get that nicely welded on, and maybe a bit of a gusset underneath. So that's how I ended up with an ASO for a friend. I don't mind. It's practice at welding. Anything you look at like that, I look at it as just practice. Well, Paul's going to come and pick that up tomorrow. I hope so. I hope he's going to come and pick it up. Anyway, that was just a quick vid. So like everything else, I'll see you in the next one. Which I've got to do. I'm going to have to take that boiler to bits. Probably. See you guys. ASO. Oh, sorry. Hey, don't you game. Whoa, don't. Oh, fucking stop it.